May mga pinadala sa amin galing sa Pilipinas at papatikim natin sa mga bata din at saka sa amin. At matagal-tagal na tayo hindi nakakain ito.
Yan, mga ating Filipino snacks. Try natin.
Yay! Miguel, Ethan, are you ready? Ethan, read this one first. What is it? Miguel.
No. Teka, itong mga snacks na to, ito yung mga common na kinakain ng mga bata sa Philippines.
Dad already ate some.
What is it, Miguel?
Explain mo itong mga snacks na to.
Huh? What is it? Guys,
Fish crackers.
have you ever had this before?
Dad has.
No. Explain mo ba, itong mga snacks na to, yun yung mga
Wow, perfect!
common snacks sa Philippines.
Yes! Meron pa doon, Daddy. Yung
ito
parang
pa.
lala. Oh, what is this? Miguel, Ethan, show them what we're having.
Oh, I remember that.
What is that?
Say
I
it.
don't know. Shortcake.
Ha?
Pulveron.
Oh, yeah. Same thing.
Ito.
How about this one? Miguel, tell them what is it. Hindi alam ni Miguel to.
Curly Cups. Yan yung
No, they make
Pinoy
chocolate.
chocolate.
Oh, sige.
Pinoy chocolate.
Show it to them, Ethan. What is it?
Yan. Yan, masarap yan. Cow.
How?
How the Carabao.
How? Ano pa?
Curly Cups.
Ni hao ma.
Curly tops. Flat tops pala. Curly tops yung isa. Ayan.
Ito naman.
May suka na akong handa.
Oh,
May sili pa.
Ito naman, galing Korea ka.
Galing Korea. Thank you, Ding and Cora. Galing sila sa Korea.
Ito yung mga snacks. Yan, may pusa ni Ethan yan. Ito naman, ito definitely. Alam niyo kung ano yan. Ethan. Ano yung dried mango?
Dried mangoes.
Yan.
Ethan, show this.
Ano naman yung chila? Ano yan? Chila?
Si Jun hindi alam yan. Pili nuts.
Ito, hindi natin mabubuksan to. Next time na yan, next time.
Come on, guys. Which one you want?
Ito rin, pinadala rin sa amin. Ano tawag doon? Laing.
Laing.
No, it's
Gawa ng
too close.
Goldilocks.
Yan, hindi natin gagawin yan.
Simulan natin sa which one do you want to start with, guys?
Oh, ito na. Taste test na tayo.
Taste test na, guys. Are you ready
Yes.
to be challenged?
Ito mga
With
batang
Filipino
to.
goodies.
These ones are fine.
Yeah. Ito mga batang to, they're not
Fish
used to
crackers.
yung mga ganito. They're not used to it.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright. So let's try with this one
Try
then.
it. Oh, crackers muna.
So, and then,
Ito all-time favorite.
All-time favorite, di ba to?
Crope. Crope.
Sarap ito. Sarap
Sige.
ito, anak. You know, when I was growing up, binibenta to sa mga bus.
Yan. Naglagay tayo
Sa
dyan.
mga kanto-kanto.
Pakita natin, kakainin nila to.
Isn't this the sauce though?
No.
Oh, alright. Try first. Try.
Try it. Papakita natin si Ethan. Ano Ethan?
How about you, Miguel?
My braces will break.
Oh no! It's a rock.
What does it taste like?
Is it nice?
Huh?
Cheese.
Cheese! How about you, Miguel? What does it taste like?
Like chicken.
Chicken?
Parang
Chicken skin.
Cracker. Fish crackers. Parang
Fish cracker. Para daw cheese at saka parang chicken. Pero ako naman, gusto ko may suka ito.
Masarap to.
You dip it with vinegar, guys.
Yan. Yan.
Hindi ka pa.
Hmm?
Hindi ka pa. Hindi.
Ano to? Precious to. Galing abroad. Parang natutubukan naman natin.
Hindi. Dip nila sa vinegar eh. Try nila.
No, I don't want.
Don't.
Ako gusto ko pa. Oh, Miguel.
Nothing.
Ano susunod yung katry? Ano susunod yung katry? Ito. Itatry nyo tong chocolate nito. Curly Tops.
Yeah,
Ah.
these ones are things.
Sige Ethan, pick one. Pick Curly Tops. Masarap to, no? Ito yung chocolate namin nung bata.
Actually, no, this is hard.
Yan.
Ang social na naman, chocolate yun ng bata.
Kasi walang Cadbury, no? Ito yung mga chocolate namin.
Sa amin, sa amin, mahal yan sa amin.
Ano lasa?
No flavor.
No flavor.
It tastes like chocolate.
Ano? Is it sweet compared to Cadbury or
No.
is it nice?
Yeah, it's not really.
Masarap daw. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
They already have
Masarap.
this.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Yeah, but we had this before.
Ano, thumbs up, thumbs down.
Yeah.
Ganun lang daw.
Daddy, you let them have different... Dalawa ito eh. Curly tops at saka flat tops. Magkaano to?
It's the same.
No, I
Yeah.
thought so.
So, Ethan, now you have to
Curly
try
top.
yung curly tops for you, Miguel, and
Ikaw,
then
flat
flat
top.
tops.
Sabihin nyo kung thumbs up o thumbs
Alin mas
down.
masarap? Alin na mas masarap?
Anong masasabi niya? Ayan, tomato na hindi lumaki sa Philippines. Ano?
Which one is
Thumbs
better?
up?
Same.
Yeah, they're the same.
Talaga?
Oh, I told you it's the same, it's just the name's different. Ito na, try natin. Pakita natin itong Pulveron. Masarap kaya to. Ito na, try na ni Ethan to. He tried this before. Back home. Umuwi tayo ng Philippines.
Nagbuha ako niyan.
Gumagawa rin tayo nito. Ayun, iba-iba siyang flavor. Pakita natin.
Wow!
Iba-iba siyang
Iba-ibang
flavor.
flavor, guys. Show it to them,
Meron
Ethan.
siyang
Not man.
cashew. What do you have,
Ube.
Ethan? What do you have? You have to read it.
Cookies and cream and all.
May ube. Ano ko, iba-iba.
Tsaka may peanut.
May
That's
peanut.
pinipig.
Pinipig. Ayan, try nyo yung pinipig.
pinipig.
Ayan, hindi pa nila natatry yung
Iba-iba
pinipig.
yung
Sige nga,
flavor.
pinipig.
Oh, meron din gasolina.
O Jun, kasi hindi mo alam ang pinipig. Sige.
Ay, durog yung binigay mo sa
Okay
akin.
lang.
What is that? Try nila.
Can
itong
you use this
pulveron.
during ano nga to, games sa school? How does it taste like, guys? Ako rin.
Nawa. Ano?
I can't taste anything.
Tastes like cookie and cream.
Sure.
Mm.
Ano, thumbs up, thumbs down. Pakita niya, thumbs up.
Ako talaga, okay ako. How about you guys?
Kita. Kung dalawa ka na.
I know, I had the cookies and cream.
Isa-isa lang. Ano, thumbs up, thumbs down. Talaga. Ikaw, Mick.
I can't taste it.
Mm.
Ano, thumbs up, thumbs down.
I don't know.
Ano, mix. Ganon ka na lang. In between.
Yeah,
Yan.
middle.
What's the good Jun?
Ano susunod natin? Ito, pili nuts. So, try pili nuts. Dami natin binuksan. Buksan natin itong pili nuts.
Oh, I tried this.
Hindi na! Sobra ka na. Sobra ka na, no? So, isa-isa na. Ito, nuts. Lalagyan natin dito. Yan.
What type
Pili
of
nuts.
nuts?
Parang siyang ano to, yung nuts na to.
Parang almond. Almond ba?
Hindi.
Walnut.
No.
Coated siya ng sugar.
Ang dami ito sa Bicol. Marami kami sa factory ng ganito.
Masarap. You're nice.
So I'm not
Ito.
tasting anything right now.
What?
Wala pa rin.
There's
What's
something
wrong with your
wrong with
taste
your
bud?
taste buds, Miguel. This one, I really miss this one kasi si Mami. It's from Bicol.
Ito pinadala ni Tita May. Tita May, aking kapatid sa Philippines.
How yung pinakalas, ha?
How. Ito.
Wow,
Ako, favorite ni Ethan.
Love this is the last one.
This is Ethan's favorite.
Miguel, si Miguel.
Dried mango. Ito definitely thumbs up to.
Kasi,
Ako hindi ako kumakain dito. I don't eat this.
why?
Ready?
No, look those.
Pick one.
I'm frightened of Ethan's hands.
Ulit. Yan, hati kayo.
I'm frightened of Ethan's hands.
Hati kayo.
Ito, try mo
No,
din.
don't eat it.
June, we're testing. So you have to have something.
Yan. Sarap yan, masarap. Pero mas gusto ka to.
Mm.
Itong pulburon, no. Sila.
June, lahat tayo nag-test eh.
Ay, no. Itong pulburon.
Okay, I think I deserve this one.
Mahaba.
Sarap.
Mahab ka? Pulburon.
Mukhang favorite ni June at saka ni Ethan yung pulveron. Sarap talaga. Ganun kayo.
Pulveron.
Hindi ka naman gano'n. Hindi ka naman nag-test eh.
Happy pulburon, no? Kaya ano na, naka tayo. Ito na yung last. O ito yun. Ito pala, dalawa pa. May dalawa pa tayo.
Don't open that
No,
one,
don't
anak.
open
That
this.
is,
It's for cooking.
I am the chef.
meron pa tayo nito. How?
Last na to.
Hindi, no. Tatlong, try na
how.
nasa
Sige,
ending.
try natin how. Yan, tigil-tigil sa tayo. Ewan ko, how ba ito?
Sige, tigisa muna tayong how-how.
But
Milk powder candy. Ano, kamusta, Ethan?
Wala to dito eh. Sa mga, wala to mga
Actually, hindi pa ako nakakatikim nito sa Pilipinas.
Thanks is a pulver.
No.
just like a mint.
Parang mint, no? Mas gusto ko na parang itong pulboran.
Pulburan pa rin ako.
I am him.
Saan tayo? Dito na? Ano ba to? Bulgogi flavor season almonds and walnuts. Tuloy na natin to. Ito na. Ito, Narsing's Fish Crackle. Yan, ano talaga to? Dilis. Ayan. Na-try na natin to. Ayan, amin nyo. Ayan nyo pa.
I can't smell it.
Ay, you can't smell it.
Ako na pa mo eh.
Hello, COVID.
Kaya siguro walang panlasa. Ayan. Kuha kayo na isa. Pick one up. Ayan.
Put it in here in the vinegar.
Bibili nito sa SM. Yan. Try nyo lang. Without
Kaya ako sa kanto-kanto lang namin binibili ito. Sa tindahan. Dati.
Ah.
Kasi social na ito.
Ano?
Ethan!
Tastes like a walnut.
Hindi. Masarap
And
to.
what's in the middle?
Vinegar. Ah. Ako mahal to. Thumbs up ako dito. I
Sarap.
like it. Kung wala ba lahat?
Then Propex.
No,
No, you want it from the sauce.
Meron
Ethan, you
na.
have to try it for you to be
Yeah, I do.
familiar with it.
Just
Come
pick
on.
one.
Even half.
Masarap to, no? Favorite ko to. Kaya lang, masyadong maalat.
Alat nga.
Maalat talaga.
What can you say, guys? Si Miguel, kumukuha ka na kagad ng mangga.
I can taste that one.
It tastes like fish.
Ito yung mga snack na favorite namin ng bata.
After school, I would go in the tindahan, the store, and buy this, Ethan.
At salamat sa nagpadala sa amin galing sa Philippines.
At sila din at saka sila Cora din.
Ito yun eh. Bubuksan ba natin?
Hindi,
Galing Korea
come on.
to eh.
Yeah.
Lahat binuksan na natin. Ito siya, bulgogi. Ewan ko ano yung bulgogi na. Alam ko ano yung meat, di ba? Parang fried roasted. Teka, hindi ko mabuksan. Basta mami. You need scissors. Masarap to.
Paano ko?
No, you need to open.
Dilis.
Guys, what did you say about the
mga
Filipino
Filipino
snack
snacks.
so far?
What dito?
It tastes good.
Really good?
This one's not good. The fish cracker.
Hindi daw gold to.
Alright, these are nuts, different kinds of nuts. So, I'll put it in here and then you guys can just choose.
Es ist nicht schlecht.
Ethan, pakita mo ko ano.
Hindi ko bulgogi is roasted, no? Ewan ko kung may comment kayo.
Bulgogi yung niluluto ko. Ano ka ba yung chicken bulgogi?
Oh, we got walnuts now.
Ayan, try mo ito. Let me see.
Okay,
Roasted.
Ang sarap.
Mahap.
Parang siyang may soy sauce.
Ich denke, das ist gut.
what do you call it?
Yan.
Ang galing ah. Kasi si Ethan na nag-German language.
Yan. Masarap siya. No, Mig. Parang siya may soy sauce.
Bulgogi nga eh.
Yan. Sarap to. Masarap. Thank you Thank you, Ding. Thank you, Cora.
No, I'm.
Thank you, Nanay, Tay, May.
Where's that
Tumadala.
going?
Padala.
Next time, ano naman, cake naman sa Merced. Tsaka sa Goldilocks. Sa Red Ribbon.
Which one is your favorite, guys?
Now,
Hold
which
it.
one is your favorite?
Ako, ito. Which one's your favorite? Hold it.
Mango.
Ikaw, Jun.
Mango. Ako
Ikaw.
to. Favorite ko to. Ethan, pulveron.
Gang, gang.
Yan. At ito ang ating favorite.
My pick.
Ako to.
Gusto niya yan, Sheila. At kung may mga comment kayo, suggestion sa mga snacks sa Philippines na na-miss out natin, no? Sana ipadala na yung mga kapatid namin.
At sabihin nyo rin sa amin sa comment section, ano bang favorite Filipino
Snacks.
snacks nyo?
Na hindi na mabibili dito sa UK.
Kasi ito, mga gold dust ito sa amin.
Bihira to.
Kaya ito, marami nang kakainin ko
Ito,
nito.
bibili naman siya. Ayun. At maraming salamat.
Hindi ang Cropec, Jun. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo, Jun.
Maraming salamat. Thank you
Boys.
sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli.
Boys,
Let us
I'll
know
be
your
the
favorite
same.
snacks.
Yan. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye!